Hello, dear people, and welcome to Classic Techart. You see, to my skin, computer is very nice and very modernized and fantastic when it comes to 3D Lego design. So this is very common and popular logo design. So this is very easy. Just you see and watch this video or tutorial, you can get it this one easily. So now I'm gonna take I'm just start here. So I need a little bit smaller here and keep this corner just to better see. Okay, so first of all, I need to go to the rectangle tool and I need just to keep here all the things like that. So first of all, I need this color here and letter tool. Yes, I think that's fine. Exactly. I need to now copy this one here and exactly put it something like that. I need to go to the press order. Press Ctrl and D as a copy paste. Again, I need now this copy the pressing over and by pressing Shift key for the center. Okay, I need it now again to copy this one by pressing Ctrl and D. Yes, okay, done. Now what should I do? I need to go to the here just to like that angle to make this shift. Sorry, not like that. I need to go to here and like that. Oh, sorry. This okay. I need okay, not like that. Actually, not like that. I'm sorry. I need to go to here and like that. Go here and go here like that. Yes. Go here. Select the things. And I need to go here. This one. By pressing Alt C and F, Control C and F. What should I do? I just to click there here. Yes, again, this one also copy by pressing Alt C and F. Yes, this again I need also like there. Okay, just fine. You see, now it's okay. So I'm not taking much time. Just I will take a little bit of time here, go straight to the shape builder tool and keep here like that. You see, this how is going on. You see how is going on. Yes, exactly. Done. Magic. So what should I do? I need it now. Just change the color, right? I drop a tool here. You see how exactly done it like that. You can imagine all the things. How very easy with just I have a finish this one like that. This fully logo design. So you see exactly no more the change and no more the differences between here what this one. So I need to delete all the unnecessary things. You see how fantastic right here. You see. Thank you for watching.